Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain to you how you can create a movie channel using this AppCreator24. So the reason why I'm making this is because I received a request from one of my subscribers saying, bro, how to create a movie watching app. So guys, if you have anything you want me to teach you, just drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I explain to you. So guys, we are dealing with this movie application today. So firstly, you have to create a new section. So the section we are going to create is a movie section, which is video. So there are two video here. One is video and the second one is social video. Which one are we going to create? Let me explain both of them to you. So if I click on videos, as you can see here, you have to input the section title, and as you can see on the second one that says is direct TV. Like this one is just like maybe you have a website you want to input a video website in your application. That is when you can use this one as your video application. But for me, this is not what I'm making a movie application where you can upload videos so that user can download it. So I don't need this, but this one is just to open a web. Let me briefly explain it. So as you can see here, these are just what you can do here. After you put the link up there, you have to fill in all these things. This is the link source. As you can see, you can paste your YouTube link, any video link that you know that is valid, so paste it there. Let me copy one of my YouTube video link. You can use any other link which is on YouTube. Don't just think that it's only YouTube link that work here. Any video link, you can put it there. Okay, so now I've copied the link. So now let me go back to the AppCreator24 and paste the link in the video section. As you can see, so now I paste the link. So now let me explain what all this one are useful for. As you can see, the media player, you can choose the type of media player you wish for, and all this one that says start in full screen, like it should be in a landscape mode. You can put this in more focus on landscape. If you put this in yes, whenever a user click on this section, it will be in landscape automatically. Download button, so your user can download the video if it's downloadable. Showcast button, like you can cast it to a TV or something like that. Picture in picture button, like stuff like that. So active chat is like if you want user to be chatting in your application, you can put it in yes or no. So I'm putting it in no. So all this one are similar. Okay, the one that is different is like this one up here is like the title of the video, and the value is the number of the video. That's what this is useful for. You can put two, as you can see. So all this one is still similar to what I've talked about earlier, so I don't need to explain this again. So this is not what you actually need. So now let's me explain what we actually need in this tutorial. I have to create a new section, and let me explain the second one, the social videos. In these social videos, this is what we can use to create the movie application. Firstly, the section title, and all this one over. As here, the first one that says latest, that means the latest video uploaded to this application by you only. You are the only one that will have access to upload the videos to this application. So just make sure you watch this video to the end. Most of you are just doubting that I've tried this way, it's not working actually, but I will explain to you how you can do this, that you are the only one that will have access to upload video. No other user will upload video to this section. So guys, as you can see, the first one, the latest, is like the latest video you uploaded, and the best voted, maybe the video that has the most most viewed, also the featured, like the video that has maybe a lot of comments. The near one is just like the location nearest to you, the video that a user uploaded, maybe the user is the most near to you, so it will be showing them according to their distance away from you. So when creating a movie app, I don't think we need this, so you can just put it in don't show. Then the favorite one, like the one that has the most favorite people, that people like a lot, so you can put that one show again. And the show by default is like the one that will be there default when a user open this section, so you can put it in latest and you can change it if you want. So, and as well, and the list layout is just like the way your video will be, like maybe the video will be at like a landscape and the title of the video will be under it, or the video will be in portrait and the title of it will be under it. That's just what this is useful for. As you can see, the demo picture over here. And on this one is what you can read yourself. Video comments if you want it, show description, show the creator name. You can put this in when you're creating a moving application, and you can put it in yes, so if you want, so anyone you want. So I'm putting it in no. Okay, and also download button for users to download the video, you can put it in yes. review video before publish. You can put this in here and you can put it in no. It doesn't matter for now because you are creating a moving application. Only if you want to allow some user to be uploading video, that is when you can put this as yes. But once you don't need any user to upload video, when it's only you that you can upload video, so you put it in no. And the category is something useful. Maybe you can put like a Korean movie, American movie, so that user can find the type of movie they are looking for. If you upload a video under Korean movie, so when a user click on Korean movie, all the Korean movie on the Korean movie on your application will be show. And once you are creating this thing, make sure you click on this only administrator. As you can see, this checkbox means like only people who are admin in your application can upload video to your application. So since no one is admin, you are the only one that can upload video to this application. So this is what is useful for. And all this one I've talked about this earlier, so all this one are still normal thing. I've talked about all this. Okay, you don't need to explain this. So you can choose the picture of the section. You can upload it from your browser or choose it from gallery. So now let's click on save and let's review what I've created. Although I've put a lot of category. Oh, I forgot to put the section name. So let me just put okay. Make sure you have a lot of category in your application. So once I click on save, let's go and check my application now. This is our application now, guys. So let me click on the section we created, and as you can see, no video here. And don't you notice something? There should be like a plus button for each user, like on this left corner, right corner rather. There should be like a plus button for a user to upload video, and there's not any plus button. This is because you put it on only administrator, and no one is an administrator yet. Even you can't upload video to this section. So let me show you another section that is also a video section. As you can see, there's a plus button here that allows users to upload video, and in that section is not there. So now let me go back to AppCreator24 and make this account this account I'm using right now. I will make this account administrator, and will see the magic that will happen after I make this account administrator. After you open your section, come to this review user here. So it will list all the accounts in your application. So this is the only account I have in my application now. So I'll make this account the admin. So click on this button that says make admin. So now I've made this account administrator now. So let me go back. As you can see, no video here. As you can see, you view the video in the application, no video yet. So now let's go back to application and let's see if I'm truly the admin and I have access to upload the video to this section. And this is our application now. So now let's go back to this section and let's see if I have access to upload the video. As you can see, there's plus button here that I can upload the video now once I'm admin. So you can upload as much as video you want. So let me try uploading a video. So let me show you. So I'm going to select a video out of all these videos. Let me just select one video. As you can see, you can put the description of the video, like the title of the movie you are uploading. So let me just use a random title like Korean guitar movie. I actually loved that film. Go and watch it, Korean guitar. Okay, so that film is amazing. Okay, it's a season film. So you can select the category of the movie. So this movie is Korean movie. You can create as much as category you want. So click on send. Then this may take a little while to upload. It depends on the file size. It depends on the size of the video you're uploading. So you just have to be patient. Okay, and as you can see, the video is being uploaded. As you can see, so the video has been published. See our video now. See the title of the video. See the time I post the video. So user can play the video, and there's a download button here for user to download. Let me show you the download button. And as you can see, the video is downloading already. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You see, I'll teach you everything you want. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Just ask me a question whenever you have a problem with this AppCreator24. I'm here for you all the times. Thank you for watching. Bye.